Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's natural hair tutorial, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, which is a bantu knot out but without two strands twist. It's the first time I'm doing this style and I don't know which of them I prefer. If I prefer this method or I prefer the method that I did before, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can also check out that method, which was a two strands twist bantu knot out. But this is the bantu knot out without two strands twist. It's another method. As we get into the video, you will see exactly how I get to achieve this look, but let's see throughout the day how I feel about it. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching. And if it's not your first time watching, thanks for always watching and coming back and keeping up with me and keeping up with all my other videos, my family vlogs, my cooking videos, and continue to show us all the support. And we love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.